The perfect plan doesn't exist. Trying to optimize your movement is a waste of time and energy. I tried for years, breaking it down, consuming content, trying to figure it all out. And all that led to was overthinking, inaction, stress, and a lack of trust in my own body. But I found a way out of that. It's called moving. Right now. Most people hear that and think it's too simple, but this is the shift they need. Moving with the intention to connect, to actually sense the body, feel what the body is doing. This is the part that often gets lost when overthinking takes over. The obsession with complexity, optimization, effort, and perfection leaves very little space for simply moving. So we flip the script. Instead of trying to be perfect, we just create a small window to move. 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. Set a timer, pick a few basic patterns, and just start moving. I'll give you some guidelines later on, but the structure isn't that important. The big key is that you're in it, present in your awareness, sensing your body and your movement, allowing everything to connect. If you think this stuff is beneath you, that's because it is. I don't know who else needs to hear this, but everything is built on the basics. So invest in building your floor instead of chasing your ceiling all the time. Your floor is what you fall back to. It's how you move through life every day when you're not thinking about it at all. The simple movements we tend to take for granted, but if we weren't able to do them, it would drastically change how we function in our lives. There's already plenty of content out there pushing you to go harder, to grind, to chase progress and optimization. That has its place. I think there's tremendous value in challenging oneself by doing hard things. But one of the biggest opportunities for growth right now, especially in this culture that is obsessed with maximizing, is learning how to do things with more ease, less effort, less trying, more awareness, more connection. When the movement is simple and the intention is clear, this makes it really easy to do it and do it regularly. And isn't that what we want? Available and accessible movement at all times? This gives you the opportunity to build that. And I could sit here all day and give you the science behind why this works, how it puts you in a more receptive state for change and improvement, how this wires key parts of your brain and body into deeper connection on a sensory, motor, and instinctual level, how this may help you let go of tension, pain, and stress that you've been carrying for years. But that kind of misses the point. Just do it and trust that it's working. Believe that showing up with presence and moving your body for the sake of connecting is enough to grow and improve, because it truly is. If you've fallen out of rhythm, or you feel stiff and disconnected, or you just are tired of overthinking your training and know that something needs to change, this is a really good place to start. You don't need to figure everything out. You can start moving in a way that allows you to reconnect right now. All you need is a timer, 5 to 10 minutes, and a basic understanding of movement patterns. Hit start and get into it. Switch up the movements every minute or just continuously move, switching things up when the timing feels right. Let go of perfection, expectations, and judgments of what you're doing. That doesn't matter. Just focus on what allows you to connect with your movement on a deeper level. I know this can be quite the shift, so to help you out, I put together a free 7-day series called Move Now. 10-minute sessions of simple moves to build momentum and connection through the entire body. I guide you through the whole session so you don't have to think, you can just move. You can get started by clicking here or find the link in the description below. If you want to know what this feels like before you sign up for the series, hit this 5-minute follow-along session on my other channel right here. Thanks for watching. I will see you in this next one. Stay smooth.